Why isn't it working? Don't hold it to your face.
We're here at Jawns on Fire. It's Black Friday, 6:30. We've already had a line of 10 people in here. We got offers for retail. We got stuff under retail. Come check us out. Happy shopping, be safe, have fun. And I am, because we are, Jawns on Fire. Buy any Eagles? Come on. Buy any Eagles inspired sneaker, Pine Green 4s, Jordan 1 Gorge Green, Lucky Green. Get an authentic Nike Eagles jersey. We got Jalen Hurts, we got Jason Kelsey, 99 under retail. You can't find them anywhere for 99. Authentic Nike, $130 retail for 99. While supplies last, I got Jason Kelsey. I got number 1, my man Jalen Hurts. Don't sleep.
Over. Before 4 a.m. I said, damn, let me try to get there before 6 o'clock.
Outside.
Okay. Back, bro. I need what's your Chrome heart house for?
5, 7. I got, there's 7. My gallery, these 2, buy one, you get a Supreme hat for free.
What you want for this house?
Well, 2 pieces.
Easy slides, Travis Scott socks, plain black pants, and Lego FC hoodie.
What's Lego FC?
His soccer team.
Yeah, that
You gotta put them on.
There's no way I'm putting these on my feet.
Who's named that?
Come get the gratitudes.
Yeah.
I'll hold them for you.
Yeah.
All right, they're yours. Thanks, my man. Appreciate it.
What's up, guys? Do a little fit check today. Today we got our Penn State full merch outfit right here. Sponsored by, unofficially, McClanahan's. And I got I believe the Jawns A6 collab on right here. Get this in the show. A little creased, but it's okay.
Your dad wore 'em.
That's it.
All right, so I don't think YouTube knows you yet. You gotta tell me who you are, give me a shout out, and give me a fit check.
I'm Amor Lombard. I go to East Penn. Fit check, the essential shirt, Nike sweats, and then the Stetson Von Dunks. So
It's a good choice.
thank you.
It's clean,
Thank
I like
you.
it.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You must play football.
I do.
Lineman?
Yeah. I got moved to center this year. So,
Did you?
Yeah.
How was that?
Good. I won first team all conference at center.
Good for you,
so
man.
Thank
Good for you.
Thank you.
Check him out. What's your shout out?
Amar Lombard at Amar Lombard on Instagram. Thank you.
My man.
A little Black Friday cash out. I said, that's ballsy to come in Black Friday, but I like it.
That's why I'm here early.
Early in the morning. Appreciate you, my man.
Any chance I get a receipt?
I'm gonna text it to you as soon as I get this payment through. This came through.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, man. I'm gonna text it to you as soon as I get it through.
Take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep. Came through.
Another one gone. Gorgeous sneaker. I'm on 5. Look at the detail, the A's. Those guys got a little trouble right now. A little trouble in the
I'm not gonna talk about it.
family. We're not gonna talk about it. The laces. We got the off-white, the white, the cream. Cash outs on Black Friday. We got a men's 10, women 11.5. And we have a men's 11 in stock. Jawns on Fire. Come in today, I'll give you a deal. It's Black Friday. I had to do the Ric Flair. I can't do it though. Woo! Woo! Woo!
A little dusty.
Little dusty roads. And I had to go Christmas lights. I had to go neon 350s for comfort today. So it's about comfort. Jawns on Fire. You like these?
Yeah.
You ever see the Rick and Morty's? I got a pair. The botter I was using back in the day, I don't use anymore, accidentally scored me 12 pair of Rick and Morty's. I didn't even want them. I didn't even know to get them. And that online, before the store is even close to being ready, sold, gone. We got a few online orders. We got a Spider hoodie going to New York. We got a pair of Black Friday Lamellos for $149 going to Colorado. We got a pair of Travis Golf going to Kentucky, size 14.
Big boy size.
Big boys. And we got two custom wood arts going to California. Shipping, I'm gonna get. Ready? You pay $5 a play. Max, you can only do 20. Max 4 times. And if you get a combination of Kobe's numbers, so 24/8, so 248, 284, 428, 482, or 824, 842. If you hit one of those 6 numbers, you get a Kobe reverse Grinch when they come out at retail, any size. So it's not a power game, it's a finesse game. And if you want to hit hard, go for it. If you want to hit light, go for it. What do you think? Think you could do it? I would recommend going after the 4s.
Yeah, definitely.
428, 482. Those rules make sense?
I didn't even start it. What a way to start.
That's a good warm up.
Yeah. So, 7:57. I'm gonna keep track here on my phone. So I got. Okay. I'm nervous now. I got 1,521.
428, 482.
Okay. All right. Well, I messed this up. So.
Try it again. Ah!
Way too hard. Way too hard. That was. How the heck do I don't know if I can go for like 248. I might have to go for like 4. Yeah, 4 to it. I think that might be like. Gotta hit like this though. I gotta like go a little like. All right, I think I found it. I think I'm locked in now. I'm pretty close. I might have to go for 824 here. Or at least the big ones. Alright, well, that's not happening. 797. Okay. Okay. Let's go punch for punch right now.
First
Trying to hit 820. We're trying to hit a Kobe number here.
I know you are.
First one I have.
824 right here.
I missed.
All right, 1. Jake's down 1.
What? Yeah, 2.
I only had to go punch.
Oh, that's a good one.
Sounded good.
Nah, I hit it with my core in my hand. Oh, we tied. What?
That's hilarious.
Let's go down 3.
Come
Now he's all
on.
tired, Mark. You're rested.
Oh, I missed so
Oh,
much.
sit down! Sit down!
It took him 8 tries. to
Sit
get
down!
It took him 8 tries.
Sit down!
No, you went like 3 times in a row.
Bitch.
I used to.
Yeah. Ooh.
This feels weak. 4,800. Let's go. But I can't. I'm tired. But I can't hit 800. Maybe 100 right now.
Ooh, you're gonna get 24. Oh my God, Mark.
The shop.
No, I just like you just kind of
Your bitch slept.
you underestimated.
Oh my God.
You underestimated like how.
Oh no.
Oh god. We're not laced, unfortunately.
Lace them up.
Oh.
Trying to get Kobe's number, any combination, 248, 284, 428, 482, or I'm not getting it, 824, 842. $5 a try. If you hit one of those 6 numbers, you get a Kobe Reverse Grinch when they come out for retail. Only at Jawns on Fire. Here we go.
How much are the jerseys?
99. Those right there.
Hey guys, welcome back.
The new one.
Today is Black Friday. As you can see, it's very busy.
Can't beat the price. Look at the tag. It's 130 retail.
What size is this? This is regular size.
You got first, right? How'd you hear about us?
We grew up here, and I don't know, my mom still lives here. We're visiting for Thanksgiving. She was like,
Check it out.
yeah, grandson of, yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Nice meeting you guys. Go Birds. Take care.
Hey guys, we're pretty busy.
Because you came.
That's because I came. Oh, that's a compliment. But we have a lot of stuff, so it is a good day. I just got out the shower after I just worked out and ran off all that food yesterday. I ate yesterday.
Give me a fit check.
Denim Tears, Lululemon, and nothing better. Jawns on Fire. Now this is from Jawns on Fire too, but it's Denim Tears. So.
Getting tired?
No, never. 5:45.
Oh no.
You were here
No,
before.
no,
I think a
no.
little
See,
before that.
That's why. That's why I took the second shift, 11 to 9, because
I'm trying
if
to
I
take
would
a
be
nap.
up at, actually I was up this morning because I had to take Tommy to work out at 6 a.m.
Look at you being a good sister.
This was
He
Miles.
begged me.
Miles just doesn't like me.
Oh wow.
Miles, no, I'm just kidding.
Miles don't like
my
me
guy.
either.
Yeah.
He's mad
Miles
that he
is
has to
fake.
deal with me tomorrow.
Miles is fake.
I have to be with Miles 9 to 5 tomorrow at the truck.
Thanks.
Yikes, it's correct.
Everything gone. I act a fool when I go and perform, but I'm trying. What the fuck is he doing? Act like a groupie around me, he drawing. I told him.
New stuff. What do you think? Clean, super clean. Just in, fresh off the truck. They'll be online in like an hour.
What are we looking at? I was going to grab and somebody bought it.
What are you getting now?
Pink Asics. Oh, you want to see him? I gotta pull him up. My dad is gonna be like, those are so ugly, but I don't care. Because they're worth it. Literally everybody and their mom in Philly has these. People think they're ugly, but like, it's a fashion statement, you know?